Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in Achievers MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management. And today's topic is objective questions on UPI, Unified Payment Interface. Remember, in new exams, the topics are all new, right? UPI, technology, AI, all these things. So pay keen attention to the video. Also, watch the full series, okay? Firstly, I would suggest download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study material, current affairs, job alerts, daily quizzes, live classes, question banks, ebooks, tests, whatever you need for JAIIB, CAIIB and various banking exams, you'll get it over here. Okay. Also, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you'll be getting all the updates for JAIIB, CAIIB, various other banking exams. Okay. So immediately subscribe, click on the bell icon. Now this is a new batch. Okay. Starting from January 23rd. Okay. I mean this just now started. In fact, yesterday only. So the subjects are all the four: PPB, IFS, AFM, and retail banking. So all the four subjects are there. So join this ASAP. All the numericals, case studies, objective questions, everything. But important part, we are presently running with the discount scheme. Okay, new syllabus, strong preparation app discount scheme. So 80% off is going on. This offer won't last long. More on this later. Okay, use the code Y43 to never forget this code. Okay. So what is the schedule for the session? See this. First is UPI meaning and technology. What do you mean by UPI? What is the technology of UPI? Then what are the important features of UPI which are useful to the customers? Okay. And then we have the objection questions. Okay. Objective questions which has basically transaction limits. Okay. So let's start. Okay. What is UPI? UPI means United Payment Interface. Remember this full form, United Payment Interface. Okay, this is asked in exam. They give you various names: Union Payment Interface, Unified Payment Interaction. So the correct answer is unified. I told United or what? No, Unified Payment Interface. Unified. Okay, got it. So it is a digital payment system developed by NPCI. Now what is NPCI? National Payments Corporation of India. Very big organization and very best organization for India. Why? Because through this, in this NPCI only, we have all these RTGS, NEFT, UPI, even the CBDC which is coming up. It is being implemented by NPCI only. So it is one of the pioneers. It is a front runner in technology. Okay, all the banking facilities which we are seeing right now related to technology are mostly designed by NPCI. Okay, it facilitates instant fund transfer between two bank accounts digitally. So if I want to earlier what used to happen, I used to go to the bank, give the check for clearing, then deposit it over there, collecting bank, paying bank, all these things for them. But now, and it used to take around 2 to 3 days check clearing, right? Now what is the scene? Immediate, seconds. Okay, hardly in seconds. So it facilitates immediate fund transfer between two banks account digitally. No, not required to give any details of any bank, anything. Okay, just that QR code and done. It's a unifying platform that brings different banks under a single portal. Now what do you mean by this here? Every bank has their own software. Own software means many banks have Finacle, right? You might be having Finacle. Somebody might be having FlexCube, right? Somebody is having SBI is having, I think so, that Bank Click. In fact, every bank is having separate software. But the point is, UPI combines these softwares. Means what's here? I'll give you an example. This is, let's say, SBI software. Okay, SBI. S I'll write. This is HDFC Bank. H I'll write. Okay. This is ICICI Bank. I. Now all these three banks will have separate softwares, so they don't talk to each other. So what is the role of UPI? UPI connects it so that these three softwares talk to each other. Means what? If I want to transfer funds from SBI to HDFC, immediately it is done. HDFC to ICICI, immediately. Similarly, SBI to ICICI, immediately. So basically the use of UPI is connecting these softwares so that they talk to each other in seconds. Okay, yeah. What is the technology actually? UPI works on IMPS. Now what is IMPS? immediate payment service. Okay, immediate payment service means within seconds. Again, this is developed by NPCI only. Okay, so UPI works on immediate payment service technology. Transfer, receive funds instantly without the need to provide the bank details. Now, in the QR code, when you go to that vegetable vendor or in the shop, okay, does that shopkeeper ask you anything? That give you ask that shopkeeper, give your bank account, give your that what are these details? Bank account name, give your account number, give your bank bank name, IFSC code, branch name. These all points are needed where in NEFT RTGS, right? You might have done NEFT RTGS, many of you, right? Might have worked on these departments, NEFT RTGS. There you require all these 5 details, right? But under UPI nothing is required. Why? Because it's feeded one time only. Whenever you have the whenever you prepare this QR code, at that time only all these details are fed in that. Okay, so once they are fed, no more requirement of giving it every time. So transfer, receive funds instantly without the need to provide the bank details. So no bank details are required to be done every time. Once it is required, done. Provide a unique UPI or QR code. Now this is the main beauty of this UPI technology, right? QR code. QR code means what? Immediately you get it. Means you don't need to go anywhere. Don't need to get any anything as such. Means any details not to be given. Right? What is UPI QR code? Does anyone know? Doesn't anyone know? You might have. Everyone might be doing the transactions, right? Okay, I'll show you one. Okay, simple one. I'll show you. Let me show you UPI. Okay, let's see this. Okay, hold on. I'll show you live over here. One second. Let's go live and then I'll show you over there only. Yeah. See this. See this. UPI QR code. This is the UPI QR code. This is what you scan, right? You scan it and various QR codes are there. Everyone's here. Bharat Pay is there, Razor Pay is there. Everyone is having. So this is the basic UPI QR code. We use it every time, right? So now, coming back, so this just provide the UPI QR code and things are done. Okay. What are the key features of UPI? Advantages. Bank details need to be provided only once. No 1,000 times giving every transaction, give the bank details, that bank name, that IFSC code, branch name, all these things not required. At the time of registering for UPI ID, that's it. You can schedule the transactions. Means what? If I want to give some SIP, EMI standing instructions, that every 5th, kindly debit my account with rupees 1,000 for SIP. Kindly debit my account for rupees 9,000 for my EMI. So these instructions I can give it in UPI now. Okay. So that's what happens. It has become simple now. UPI transactions are linked with Aadhaar. Okay. So KYC again. KYC is reduced. Otherwise what happens? Every time give the KYC document, that Aadhaar card, PAN card, all these things. So now once you link it with Aadhaar, while getting this Aadhaar card only we give all the details. So KYC is reduced over there. Available 24/7. So you can do the UPI transaction anytime, isn't it? Highly secure. These are the basic necessities of any banking transaction now, right? Means here, it's not the time of 2005 or 6 now, when, or even 2000, when the transaction was available during the banking times only. Okay. Now everything is gone. The security features have so much developed in banking system now, that they are it's almost impossible to crack any banking system. Okay. Now before going ahead to question banks, remember question session. Remember this is the new batch which has just now started. PPB, IFS, AFM and RBWM. Remember 4 subjects are there. Difficult ones. New subjects, you will be needing a guide. We are covering all the objective questions, numericals, case studies, whatever is required. Okay. So join this ASAP. Okay. 80% off is going on right now. 80% off. My God. Okay. I'll show you how to use this code. Okay. Use the code Y432 and use this code. Never forget this code. Okay. Everyone who has not liked the video, kindly like the video right now. Like it fast. Click on the bell icon. Everyone click on the bell icon. Okay. Also, Kindly comment yes if you have understood up till now what is UPI. You have got this point? Okay, type in the comment section what is the full form of UPI. Type fast. What is the full form of UPI? What is the full form? Fast, 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 fast. Yes. What is the full form of UPI? Unified payment. Unified. Even I made the mistake, right? United I told, but it is unified, right? Payment interface. Okay. Let's go to the questions. Okay. What is the minimum amount stipulation for UPI transactions? Now many of them I'll just answer it over here. Okay. Minimum amount. Minimum means what? What is the least amount which I can do the transactions for under UPI? So is it limited to something like this? That let me remove some answers over here. Okay. So is it limited? That I have to do 10 rupees transaction minimum, I have to do some 4 rupees transaction, 5 rupees transaction, 100 rupees transaction, 50 rupees. Is it limited like that? Anything? No, nothing. Okay. So that is a basic advantage. So is there any limit? Minimum amount limit? No limit, right? So the correct answer is D, no limit. Got it, everyone? Next. What is the maximum amount stipulation for UPI transaction for peer-to-peer? So what is the maximum amount over here? 1 lakh, 50 lakh, 1 crore, no limit. So what is the maximum amount now? Maximum UPI transaction, okay? UPI. Let me see how many of you can give the correct answer. Maximum UPI limit, okay? Yeah. What is latest one? Yeah. So here it depends on bank to bank generally, okay? It depends on bank to bank, but many of the banks are giving the limit of, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Many of the banks are giving the limit of everyone. What is limit? They are giving the limit of 1 lakh, okay? 1 lakh, okay? So here many of the banks are giving lesser limits also, 50,000. 80,000, but maximum banks are giving the limit of 1 lakh. Okay. See here, there is a limitation to this. What is the limitation? See here, ideally, shall I show you over here? Let me show you. Okay. What does we'll directly go right on Google only, isn't it? Yeah. One sec. See this. How much money can you transfer via UPI? And what is the general limit? Ideally, the limit of UPI transactions is 1 lakh, which can be made in 20 transactions per day. Now, this is also important. 20 transactions per day. Okay. So, remember this. 20 transactions is the maximum limit and 1 lakh is the daily limit. Okay. Per day. You can't make more than 20 transactions. Okay. Let me see which bank has 2 lakh limit. 2 lakh, anyone has given? No bank has given 2 lakh limit up till now. Okay, so it is 1 lakh limit now, everyone. Okay, now let's go back. Yeah. Next one. What does I stand for in IMPS, which on which UPI is based, right? UPI is based on what? IMPS. IMPS is the base. Based on this UPI is made. So what is I over here? Instant, interface, immediate. Yes. What is IS? IMPS. Just now you did it, right? What does IMPS stand for? Just now, let me, should I show it? Should this immediate payment service. Okay. So I stands for immediate. Okay, immediate payment service. Everyone got it? Everyone got it? Type yes in the comment section if you have understood it. Type yes, everyone. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. MMID is used for fund transfer in IMPS. What does the first M stand for in MMID? Now, what is this MMID? MMID is basically used for mobile fund transfer. Okay. So what is this first M stands for? Mobile, money, multi, message. Okay. Yeah. If I give you the full form, you'll immediately understand it. Okay. So first M stands for, who knows it? Type fast. First M stands for mobile. Why? Because MMID means what? Mobile, money. See this MM. ID means identifier. It's this ID is combined. Okay, identifier. So this is mobile money identifier. So first M stands for mobile, second M stands for money, and ID stands for identifier. Okay, got it? Okay, now let me come to this, show you how to get the discounts over here. Okay, use the code Y432. As I told you, all the numericals, objective questions, theories, one-liners are covered for all the 4 subjects in the batch. Okay, so join it ASAP. Use the code Y432. I'll show you live how to get this. Go to this code. Okay, let's go to Adda 24/7. Hold on. Yeah. See this. Now you are on Adda 24/7. See here, go to the front page, okay, main page, JAIIB and CAIIB, click on JAIIB and CAIIB, you'll see this, JAIIB 23, click on JAIIB 23. Now you'll see the batches over here. What are the batches? Look at this, May, June 23, okay, January 23rd starting, click on this. Once you click on this, now you'll get the details over here. What are the details? Look at the details. See this. Details means simple ones. What are the timings of the batch? What are the dates? What is the study plan? Everything is given over here. Okay. All the 4 subjects are covered. You'll get everything regarding question bank, numericals, this question bank test, numericals, and importantly, I'll cover recorded 24/7 videos available anytime. So even if you miss out on any batch, okay, you can definitely reach that batch again using the recorded sessions. Also, all the batches are two-way interactive classes. Means what? You can ask the questions there and then itself and clear your doubts. This is very important. Doubt clearance is very important in JAIIB and CAIIB. Okay, click on view offers, 19,999 fees. Okay, click on view offers, put the code Y432. What did I tell you? Now offer is going on, right? See this, 80% off. Now if you are using the app, I would suggest you'll get 1% extra. So now this fees of 19,999 reduces to 3,999. Such a huge discount you are getting. Okay, shall I give you one more advantage? Okay, I'll give you one more advantage. Instead of going for a single batch, go for Mahapack. So JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack. Look at this Mahapack. Okay, click on the Mahapack. Now you'll see this JAIIB CAIIB ka Mahapack and JAIIB ka Mahapack, both of them. Now many of you will say, sir, I'm in JAIIB, I'll click on JAIIB Mahapack. Don't do that. I would suggest go for JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack. Why? I'll show you the advantage. See this, JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack. If you click, look at this. Now get the details here. Important ones I'll tell you. You get 15 plus batches for the JAIIB, 15 plus batches for CAIIB. Say this over here, 15 plus batches for JAIIB, CAIIB, 500 plus case studies, 30 plus full length mock tests. So everything you are getting it over here, right? Now you say, okay sir, but what is the advantage? Why should I click on CAIIB? Why should I not give only JAIIB? See this, now I'll show you. 53,996 is the fees. Click on view offers. Put the code Y432. Okay, put the code Y432 over here. Y432. Now look at this. What am I telling you? See this. Firstly the fees 53,996 reduces to 10,799. Such a huge discount you are getting. First, number one, look at the validity. 12 plus 12 months means 24 months validity. Now if you join this JAIIB batch, you'll clear this batch by May 23. Okay, means you join this batch, follow the videos, study, and then you can clear it. And then for next almost 18 months, this is 24 months, right? For next 18 months you can use this batch this same offer for CAIIB. That's why go for it immediately. Okay, so definitely see here, studies are required in JAIIB and CAIIB, but obvious everyone needs to study, but you need a mentor, you need a guide over here. That's why these classes are very important. Okay, yeah. Now let me show you what is the new portion. Why am I stressing on this batches? Okay, the batches, because the new portion includes, say this, 4 subjects: IFS, Indian Economy and Financial System, PPB, Principles and Practices of Banking, Accounting and Financial Management for Bankers, Retail Banking and Wealth Management. So 4 compulsory subjects are there. Negative marking, okay, that is removed now. Okay, there is no negative marking now. That is a good thing for you, isn't it? So join these batches ASAP. Tomorrow I'll be back with another session. Till then, bye.